instead of listing all the things, list only one two things and elaborate. Whatever you said, it's great. In my opinion, this is better. If you can't do that, do this, inshallah, it's not bad. But if you can say, for example, well, as I mentioned that I'm a nature lover, I love nature, so I don't. But there are people, they tend to prefer the employability, they tend to prefer fast paced life, and they live here. There are a lot of people, they migrate from one place to another because of these reasons, like employability, fast paced life, education, health sector. They have this priority, so they value those things. That's why they tend to live in urban lifestyle. Okay. Whatever you said, alhamdulillah, I like it. Don't say this one, like, okay, people like health sector, education sector, and fast paced life. These, you are just listing things. You don't need to listing, as even that person who has advantage, that same thing he mentioned, that band 9, don't list things. Did you watch his latest video? He mentioned that don't list things. But I'm sorry, brother, this is advanced, for advanced student, but still, it's okay, right? Is it fine?
Yeah, it's
I
fine.
think I shouldn't be giving this feedback. I think
No,
it's
no, it's
fine,
okay.
right?
Totally.
Okay. Any question about it? Do you think money can buy happiness? Last question. Yes or no? If yes, why? If no, why not?
It's difficult to say, but I would like to say it totally depends on the situation. If you have to live if it is in terms of value, you have to showcase your value, showcase your value. Then, to like for a Yeah, I'm trying. I'm not getting words actually.
Okay. Take your time.
So, if it is in terms of value, capital, if you have to showcase your living lifestyle, so if you have to live in a rich lifestyle and showcase your cars and the bungalows, at that time, if you are getting happy with these things, so at that time, money can buy happiness for you. But at the same time, if somebody who is uh,
But at the same time, instead of saying, on the other hand,
Okay. On the other hand, if someone is more into not into these things,
hmm,
for them, being into healthy relationship and all these things, like these things can buy happiness for them. So I think it depends on person to person,
okay.
to whom